we fixed your four-wheeler. I know you wanted a side-by-side. You know, little where your friends can ride with you when they're here and all. Well, we fixed it for you. You want to come see? Come on. And you know, with this upgrade we did it with real leather. Only the best for your friends. So you want, James, you want to get down and let Melinda get a feel of her new ride here?
So I'm the driver and then they don't want to ride it. Huh? Oh, that's cool how you drive it. Like
So I guess we're going to have to put some longer handlebars on, like some ape hangers on a Harley. We can get a set of ape hangers and put on there.
they can fit, 5 people.
Yeah, like Bebe and an Eleni.
Yes.
Y'all can go cruising. I don't know. You know what? You're Filipinas. And I rode in Filipinas with jeepneys with Filipinas. That's enough room for about 7 people, right, Cap?
It is my new
Huh?
four-wheeler.
In a jeepney seat, that's enough room for 7 people. And at least 4 children. Plus all their bags.
Plus, you stack about 10 bags of concrete behind it.
Yep. Yeah. So you like the upgrade, Mal?
Oh, yeah.
And anything for you. Anything for you. Yeah. So
It's
no.
comfortable.
Make anything more comfortable.
Oh shoot, I didn't think about that. Man, she'll go right off in the woods with a blanket. She'll be trying to live on this sucker. This will become her new RV. You know, I'm trying to build an Overlander vehicle.
There you go.
She's got her own now.
You're trying to read me now.
No way. All right.
So I can call my friend though that he can come to ride here.
And if you want, we can always remove the gun racks right here, and I can put the love seat right here on the front. Well, I'm excited for today. I have another project going on the side. You know me, Mr. Project, I keep myself busy. First of all, y'all see my first gen 4Runner over here? That's an upcoming project. All original. Yeah, all original. And yes, it semi-runs. It's been sitting for a while. I think it's got, I got the bad fuel out, but I had some clogged injectors. But that is an upcoming project, and that's a sweet one, but that's not it. And no, that's not it either. It is this one. It is this one right here. Well, first of all, I don't know if any of you have paid attention to my truck before, but it had a bed cap on. And now it has a ARE topper on there, and I was really excited about this find. In addition, before it had this bed cap, and man, in this hot Texas sun, look what that bed cap did. Look at the gel coat. It would get extremely hot on top of that bed, flat like that, and look what it did. So Mel and I, we wanted something more like an SUV, but not an SUV. I see Cap lingering around. See Cap slipping around here. So we have wanted one of these toppers for a couple of years now for this truck, and always looking for them. And I talked to ARE, they were just too pricey new. I won't go that route. So I kept searching because my truck is so specific to need a certain one that you just don't find a lot of them out there for sale. But I got lucky, found this one up by Oklahoma, and picked it up and got it on here. So that's the first upgrade. It's got the whole side opens here up on it. I really like that. And then you got these small windows as well. That's pretty cool. My whole back window drops down in my truck, the entire window. This one has a slider in the middle. That window will be getting removed, and that's cool too. They made it where you just hinge it down and pop it out. So ARA really had their game on trying to think these things through. So we'll be putting a boot in between there, and I can drop down my back glass, and we'll have pass through for heat and air coming into the back, because we plan on crashing out in here. Now, there is the next thing. My truck has these wheels here, and they've been fine, and I've been running these Toyo Open Country RTs on them, but I really wasn't that satisfied with it. What is this? An 18. So I'm going up to the 20s. Now, this is stock Toyota wheels that I'm going up to. I'll probably run spacers behind them. I'm trying to do all this on a budget, you know, not try to, you know, be like a big, you know, big shot, pulling out big wads of mad cash. Trying to do all this on a budget, get what I want, but do it on a budget. So I found these right here, a really sweet deal. They're 20-inch takeoffs. If they don't have the offset stick out the way I want, once I put my flares, I'll just put a set of spacers behind them. And they have the TPS sensors already inside of them. I hope they match up with my truck, and we should be good to go on that. So we'll see how that goes. I got a really great deal on these. Tires have got some life on them. I'll run the life out of those Wranglers right there, Goodyear Wranglers, and then I'll upgrade the tires at a later date. But they got quite a bit of tread on them still right now. Another good find on that marketplace. Out here in the shop, I bought these a while back. I have my Fender Flares. So I plan on soon getting these flares on here. So that is another upcoming project. That'll probably wait just a little while longer. Got one more thing. Yep, sitting here in a dark, dusty corner of the shop has been this box, long awaiting for its day to come around. Yeah, from Moto. Let's see, I thought that was called like Moto Lab or something like that. Let's see, what's it called? So here it is right here. Moto Fab lifts right here. So this is a Tundra lift kit, lift and leveling kit right here. Once again, I am so looking forward to getting get the cardboard stay out of my way. Looking very much to getting this leveling kit on here, front and rear. And that's going to the shop today too. I'm not going to put the new wheels on until this is put on. The front end's aligned, check for any worn parts, and get this bad boy on here. The next thing that's going to go off this truck is these running boards. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. I'm going to replace them with rock sliders. They won't be as low, they'll be more tucked up, and those have got to go. Even my daily life, going out in my pastures, checking cows and things, I run across into ravines and stuff that I've drugged this truck just doing my daily chores around the farm. Those have got to go. Let me show you why. Right out in the field, wham, bent that one up. I've already even beat it back down some so you could open the door. But I got that one off the bat. Also, just so you know, the factory Toyota front skid plate, man, I thought it had a real skid plate underneath there. Plastic, so I'll also be upgrading that. I need to get some clearance on this truck, so those are going to go. Lift kit up, a little bit bigger tires, and make it look like a true 4x4. I mean, it does not look like one right now. It never has to me. Never has. And I definitely need more ground clearance. Cap, you hold this tape for me. So let's go all the way to the ground right there. So let's do a little before and after here on it. Get that bad boy right there. So we'll use the fender well as a mark right now, and we'll see how much it changes. Looks like I've got 37 and maybe a quarter right there. 37 and a quarter. Front's kind of sitting on a soft spot, so I don't know how well we're going to be able to check it here, but we can try. And the front right now looks like it's about like 35.5 or 5/8 right there. So we'll do a little follow-up after this all takes place. I mean, TRD Racing Development and all that, Toyota Racing Development, and as an off-road 4x4 truck. And they squat it down on the ground and they put running boards that are just slammed down at the ground. I never got that, but that can be changed. I have drove it long enough like this. Of course, I live out in the country. I've got land. I've always been a country boy. I always like to hit the mountains. I like taking trail type roads and stuff like that. All right, guys, Patrick just picked me up here and brought me to Green's Tire in Taro. He's got a friend, Mehdi, that owns this place. And so they're the ones that chose to let put stuff on my truck. Really curious to see how it looks. It's right here in front of me. I'm liking it so far. So here it is up on the lift. Man, I can already see the difference in the height right here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
What do you want to do with the tires?
I'm gonna throw them in the back after we let it down. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell the difference right now with that kit on there. Ready for those running boards that go off of here.
Okay. ¿No tienes una bolsita? Porque él quiere sus partes viejas, que serían esas de ahí. Ahí te quiero echar en una bolsita. ¿Los sensores se va a querer también, va?
Well, it's about to get dark on me out here, but I want to show y'all. What do you think? How does it look? Look a lot different than earlier today. Man, I am happy for it. Let's put a tape measure on it and see what we got now. And the front is 39.25 on the front now. Okay, so here we are. We are at, yep, 41. We are at 41 inches even now in the space here. So it's a pretty good size little lift on that. So what do you think about the truck now, Mal?
It's good. It's ready for road trip.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, yeah.
It's starting to look more like a truck, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So I want to get rid of those running boards though. They really look out of place there too.
The truck's waiting on us.
Yeah, so the truck's what?
Waiting on us.
It's waiting on us, huh? Yeah, it is.
It's ready.
It is step by step. So I got some material for a boot to go in between here on this topper. Still kind of maybe I'll get this thing painted later to match the truck maybe. But I got a boot to go in between here so that it'll seal the air between the bed and the topper and keep moisture off. We have the pass-through window open. Pretty excited for that. So just gonna be ready to do the next step now. I think Melinda's ready to head to the store. Our dogs and cats need food. Yeah, I am happy, guys. I'm happy. Step by step.